Hello class, today we are going to be learning how to divide whole numbers. And we know we can do it when we can represent division using models, arrays, and equations. So today, on Math on Our Own, we are going to be doing just that. We are going to be able to show division using models and arrays. So, in order to start our learning, we are going to click on the link. If you look, it even has the problem again up at the top. We are going to divide 447 by 3. So if you even see here, we have 4 hundreds, 4 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So we need to start by putting these into 3 equal groups. Well, I need a little bit of space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag my mouse so I can select some of these blocks. I'm going to move them over, right? Just so I have a little bit more space. And I think, okay, I'm going to try starting off with the hundreds. I'm going to try to put them in 3 equal groups. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3. It's off screen a little bit, but that's okay. So I have 1, 2, 3 equal groups. And then I have this last 100. Now, I can't put it into the 3 groups, right? I don't have enough to put one here for each. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this up. I'm going to regroup it. I'm going to use my break pieces button to do that. So I'm going to change it from 100 to 10 tens. Now I can put these into different groups, right? I can put 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's see, do I still have enough? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Now, Now I only have 2 tens left, right? 2 tens. I can't put a 10 into each of these groups. So, just like before, I'm going to select them, and I'm going to regroup these 2 tens. I'm going to change them from 2 tens to 20 ones. And then I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep putting them into the 3 equal groups. So, and that's what division is. It's taking a large number and breaking it apart into equal groups, making sure that each group has the same number. So in this problem, I needed to divide 447 into 3 groups. And my answer is going to be how much is in one group. Got a little carried away and put two ones at the same time in the first group, but that's okay. I'm now making sure that they all have the same number. Let's see. Let me see if I did this correctly. So I wanted to divide 447. I still have all my pieces by 3. So I have 1, 2, 3 groups. And in this group, I have 149, 149, 149. Excellent. So it seems like 447 divided by 3 is 149. Now, I want to be able to show my work. So I'm going to click Share. I'm going to copy an image. Excellent. Now I'm going to hit right click. I'm going to save copy image. I'm sorry, I'm just going to copy image. Okay. And I'm going to go back to my slide. And here, I'm going to right click again. And now I'm going to hit paste. That way I can show I did my work. Excellent. So 447 divided by 3 equals 149.